Hello and welcome back to a new video, and in this video I'll show you how to permanently delete your Uber account. For that, go to your Uber app and head to your account that will be on the bottom right corner of your mobile screen. Tap on the square button, that's our settings, and then head to this privacy, tap there, and then after a few seconds of loading, go and scroll a bit and you will see account deletion, and then you will see account deletion, and there you will see this option. Tap on that and press on this accept, and you will get the code number in your SIM. It might take few seconds or minutes depending upon the network, and you need to write down your 4-digit code, and then you need to press on this next, and again you need to check the code in your Gmail. Go to your Gmail and check that one and check your 4-digit code, and after that just scroll down and tap on this continue, and you need to select the option why you are deleting your account, and after selecting that, tap on this delete account, and it will be logged out for now and will be deleted after 30 days. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions or queries, just let us know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.